You made a statement that I will not work under Girish, but I will work with Girish.
Why?
Kindly tell us more about it.
Nothing more. We are together, so we'll work together. Everywhere they have made mistakes. People are on the road.
Protest तुमच्या टायमार जाताले.
कोई केन्ना जायच न्ही. कितली ते
तुमच्या
पळोवपाक
टायमार
जाय.
when
कितली
you
ते
were
पळोवपाक
that time
जाय.
also they
तेन्ना
protest.
बीजेपी कित्याकू प्रोटेस्ट करी. किलो गॅसा प्रायस सोडलो, ऑल प्रोटेस्ट केलो. गॅस खूंय पावलो. स्टार्टींग कितलो आहलो आतां खूंय पावलो, जावून पावलो.
Luis Falero.
Yes, Luis Falero. Maybe others also.
Churchill आले माव.
Well, he's welcome. I'm not against. Though somebody told me you should not take him, I said no. You are welcome by party. This only shows that wherever he was supporting, now he accepts that Congress can come to power. It's a good acceptance.
So, but you mean to say those old people were gone are welcome?
Welcome to the party, but
Welcome.
not with the condition. Every rule has an exception. Don't make exception a rule.
Are you coming back into active politics now, state politics? नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां हब एनकाउंटर कार्यावळीन सध्या जे राजकारण चल्लां आनी खास करून काँग्रेसीचें राजकारण चल्लां तातूंत एक मनशा कडेन येवप आनी मेळप आमकां अशें दिसलें की तांकां मेळचें म्हणून. ते आसा फॉर्मर MP, फॉर्मर CM आनी वन ऑफ द लॉंगेस्ट सर्विंग MLAs ever in Goa, Francisco Sardinha, ex-MLA right now. But I think everyone is asking one question: are you coming back into active politics now, state politics?
See, many people are requesting me. I tell them, don't talk of election right now. Pray for my good health. Because age is a number. I remember some people saying, because many people who are against me, they say, oh, he is old. You understand? Others, because still I am working, I am active. But then let us say, I said, don't talk of election right now.
You saying age is a number is wrong. I don't think age, looking at you, age is just a number. In fact, age, you can work more and you can work more, I can say.
Yeah, it is normally age is a number. Because what I tell you is, suppose you are 45, 50 and you have got don't have good health. You have no right to contest and serve others.
Absolutely.
So age is a number. You can be there as long as you can serve, as long as you are healthy.
So you have not answered my question. Are
No,
you
I
coming
won't.
back?
I won't answer. I have not said no.
Are you-
Neither I said yes.
And you are saying pray for my health.
Yes.
Don't talk of elections.
Not right now.
Everyone is talking about elections now.
Yes.
You are on a coordinator on a committee
Yes.
of
I'm chief
GPCC.
coordinator, and I'll start my work maybe soon after the rains. So first we are trying to meet everyone. You understand? People are coming back. Many of them who had gone. So I also told my party,
Aren't you?
Congress is an ocean. We have all types of fishes. Those who had left, let them come back. But don't promise them tickets right now.
Okay.
Let them work. We'll see, because there are people who have worked with Congress, who have served Congress for so many years. Some of them, if they are good, then we have to give them tickets also.
So loyalty is what it counts.
Yes, loyalty plus people have to be with you. You are loyal, but somebody knows 100% you will lose. So, because I have seen people who lose their deposits, they also think they can win. So others have to say that they have got chances of winning.
Tumka, are you missing, tell me, state politics?
No, all the time I'm busy. Maybe as it is.
Being in state politics, active as an MLA or maybe.
I had given up when I was MP. I have been 4-time member of parliament, and I have held so many posts at the center. So that time we were only helping here. So I'm not in that much touch like before in state politics. Though I want my party to come up and form the government, because this government has finished Goa. They have ruined Goa. They only talk. They don't perform. What I say is talk less and do and show so that people can accept you.
So my question, I'm trying to find out one answer which you are not telling me. तुमकां आसा अशें की नेक्स्ट जेन्ना असेंब्ली आसतली त्या असेंब्लीन आपूण MLA म्हणून आसपाक जाय रिप्रेझेंटींग वन सर्टन कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी.
सी गरज पडल्यारय हांव मागीर चिंतलो. देर इज टायम.
खंय टायम आहा जालें इलेक्शन
हांव कितें म्हणटा, हांव मुगेलें काम चालू आहा.
कुट्टोरे
कुट्टोरे सगल्याक लोक येताय म्हजे बोलेक. मुगेलें काम चालू आहा. आनीक 2 वर्सां जालीं हांव MP ना. ताजे पयलीं ते सगलीं म्हाका भावताले. हांव 10 पाट जिखलो. नॉट बिकॉज आय एम ए बीग लीडर, बिकॉज काँग्रेस वर्कर्स वर्क फॉर मी. दे ब्रॉट मी अप. गेले तेंपार चोय when I contested last election in 14, in 19, AAP contested against me. They got 21,000 votes. Still I won by around 10,000. So आमचे बरोबर लोक अजून मानतात देखून म्हूण तुका.
आतां पूण ते आन्सर वॉट आय वील डिरायव फ्रॉम युअर आन्सर इज दॅट यू आर नॉट थिंकींग ऑफ इलेक्शन्स रायट नाव.
No, that you can't say. I may not, or I may, depending on the people.
So now with this you will have to promise that day you decide that I am going to contest, you will have to give us the first interview.
Sure.
On record.
Sure.
We will break the news.
Okay.
So right now
Darling.
we will leave to that.
Yes.
Kurtorim is very close to your heart.
Yes.
So if now
Not only Kurtori, my old constituency, assembly constituency, is very close to my heart.
so old constituency includes
Is Raya, Kurtori, Rashol. Early it was Magadan, Samzareal, but now Magadan is there, not there, and Samzareal also is not there.
now they are part of Velim constituency.
Yes. But then there is now Kamulli, which was not before. Kamulli. And there is Housing Board,
Housing board.
which was not there. Some part of Housing Board, some wards are in Kurtori.
So if you think of contesting, you will be contesting in Velim or Kurtorim.
Veli?
It's part of your constituency is in Velim.
Chai.
Kurtori.
Only Kurtori.
Only Kurtorim.
Only Kurtori if I contest. Never anywhere else.
And on Congress ticket.
Surely, other tickets.
Kalia hate sadhya no one is a Congress contender in that sense. Moreno Rebello is there but
तुका सांगले ते भशेन कोणें दिपो दितो तोय म्हणटा आपूण सारको जिखतो. मागीर मेजूतरी कोट्टा कितली वोट पडले ते.
okay. So but if you don't contest, will you support someone in your constituency?
Surely, are.
Who would be that person?
No, I don't know.
Whoever gets Congress ticket?
Yes.
Whoever gets Congress
Yes.
ticket you will be supporting.
Yeah, I'll be supporting.
So your loyalty remains with Congress
Surely, my
irrespective
loyalty
of.
is irrespective of this.
Okay, tell me about state politics. आता गिरीश जेन्ना जालो पळय न्ही, then a lot of people said ki no, he was wrong choice. Lot of people also like Patkar also his tone was very angry. What was your first reaction?
See, whether I like Girish or not, he has been sent by High Command. And as I am a congressman, I must accept whoever they have sent, whether I like it or not. When I meet somebody personally, I tell them whatever has to be told because I never speak at the back. I'll tell on the face.
But not on camera.
No, not on camera.
Okay, on
Camera,
the
I'm accepting what party has done.
And behind camera there is something else.
Yes, maybe there may be something else. Because I will tell the person, not
Okay.
this. Because if I am in Congress and I'm a congressman, loyal congressman, then I can't talk against my party anywhere else. What does that mean? There are differences, not that everybody is right. But then the differences have been settled among themselves.
You had any differences with Girish?
Earlier, not now.
Not now.
Not now.
They're settled now.
Hey,
You-
settled means I do my work, he does his work.
You met him in a Congress house, you
Yes,
spoke.
yes. Once when we had a meeting of all these PCC meeting, I was there.
You all don't discuss about the past. You had said distinct
No
to me, I had
past,
said
yeah,
distinct to you.
past is gone,
Past is gone.
gone. Only people remember. The good things people forget, the bad things they don't forget, they remember.
Media especially remembers all bad things. Patkar was a good Congress president in Goa.
Well, he was a nice guy, Paltuka. But then he was there for nearly 2-3 years.
How was your equation with him?
Very good. They also respect me. I also respect them. I respect for the post.
So his tone and entire tone towards Girish, what is your reaction?
Who's his?
He is Patkar's.
He has no right. Girish has not come on his own. You understand? Girish has been sent by High Command. You have to accept and you have to work for Congress. He cannot make himself, whether somebody likes or not. It's the High Command who makes the president of the party.
Now suddenly there is energy in Congress. I have seen many people going to Congress House. There are meetings happening. There is preparation.
See, this is nothing new. You see, the question is when they know that Congress is the only party which can defeat BJP, and people are fed up of BJP, then the only party they can come is Congress. I also requested, I told Girish, oh my party, you make an appeal so that people come back. Because we cannot win unless our people who had gone out come back. We cannot win unless people who have formed the government, people from there come back here. So you need more votes. Not
People
only
who
the
have formed the
leaders.
government. So you are not expecting defectors to come back. Those who left Congress.
See, that
right
is
now
the
in
party's
BJP.
decision. Party's decision.
But what is your opinion?
My opinion, if they come back, I'm not against. But they may not be given tickets. They should not come back to contest.
Okay, that rider is there. So Reginald is also welcome in Congress?
Reginald has not joined. He has gone in so many parties. I don't know about Reginald.
You will welcome him?
Well, no. He is not only, now he is supporting them. I have not thought of it.
But he's just supporting. You are okay with those people who are part of the BJP?
They were part, but right now they are not for so many years now.
You are talking about those people who are part of the BJP then, but
Then.
right now not part
They
of
are
the
not
BJP.
there.
You are not talking about 8 people who
Now
left.
who are
or,
there? No hair.
Or 10 people who are who have left.
No. Those who went this time, no, please.
Not those 18.
No, not at this time who left. They are there with them. They should not be taken.
Good you clarified this.
Yes.
Everyone would have thought you are encouraging
No,
all those
no,
defectors
no,
to come back. No.
No. I am talking about those who committed sin but went for confession.
Okay. Who are they now?
These old people who
Etc.
have gone.
etc. Those who were with you earlier,
Oh, earlier with us.
like Luisin Falero,
Yes, Luisin Falero. Maybe others also.
Churchill Alemao.
Well, he is welcome. I am not against. Though somebody told me you should not take him, I said no. You are welcome by party. This only shows that wherever he was supporting, now he accepts that Congress can come to power. It's a good very acceptance.
That shows. No, but then he's also coming with maybe with a condition that his daughter wants a ticket or his son wants a ticket.
See, condition will come later. I say you have to take them without condition.
He had said, I am contesting from Benavli.
Who?
Churchill.
Afterwards, you mean?
No.
That we'll see when the elections are declared.
So, but you mean to say those old people who are gone are welcome?
Welcome to the party, but
Welcome
not
to
with the condition.
Unconditional entry.
Unconditional support.
So if they are given ticket, then you won't mind.
Why should you take ticket? That will have to apply our mind. Who are others? Every rule has an exception. Don't make exception a rule.
Correct.
You understand?
Yes.
If you don't have any candidate and you want the seat, then time you decide whether against or this, whom should we give ticket. So these are exceptions. Don't make exception a rule.
You have been in this politics, I think, more than 50 years now. Or
Around 50 years.
Around 50 years. What is important in as far as the elections are concerned? Numbers that you have MLAs, or you have loyal people who should be given?
See, both are important. Loyalty, and if you don't have majority, what can you do? You can only be in a opposition. So you need loyalty and you need also MLAs. That's why I told you. We must have MLAs who are loyal. At least they appear to be loyal because nobody knows. Last time nobody thought that aid would go. They were bought. That's what I'm saying. I told last time to the press, I told Goa people, if you don't want BJP, then vote only for Congress. Bring Congress to power. Because if Congress doesn't have majority, this time also, after these MLAs are elected, BJP will give them money and buy them and form the government. Because today I have seen, it's not like before. Not that before they were saints, but today it is more. People want power or they want money. So, those who have gone, they are bad people. And those who have taken them, they are saints.
Yeah.
They have given them money and taken them. So I'm saying this time also, if people don't give majority to Congress, they'll buy Congress MLAs after election. And if Congress has majority, Congress MLAs will not go to BJP, BJP MLAs will come to Congress. Because they want to be
In the power. Eventually you have to be in the power. So now again coming back to the same issue की आता younger generation असा social media असा tech savvy generation असा most of the elections are fought only on this Facebook आता पहिले BJP कितें म्हणटा Congress कितें म्हणटा in that scenario people of your this thing experience like Churchill, you or Louisin, do you fit in that parameter?
Yes, you have to move with the time. Whatever it is. Now I was a good footballer, good volleyball player. I was the athletic chairman. Today I cannot run. I can walk. The question is, we are not taken now, after you are elected, you are not taken on the field to play. Still we can run. You understand? We have got experience. Our minds are okay. We can work. So, kon muntai pode ke new generation, animation, I don't agree.
You don't agree?
No, it's a combination of both.
Age is a number.
Age is a number.
Age is just a number.
You need good health.
You need good health. Many younger people are having bad health.
I remember, I won't tell you the name. There were people who were saying, oh, these people are old. They are today sleeping at home. So questions are there like that.
Yeah. Pray for their good health also.
Good health.
Okay. So this younger generation, you think will accept people who are much elder to them?
They'll accept. Few of them may not, but most of them they'll accept because they want people who can work there with them. You understand?
You made a statement that I will not work under Girish, but I will work with Girish.
Why?
Kindly tell us more about it.
Nothing more. We are together, so we'll work together.
So under is a problem, word is a problem with you.
No, for me, that's what I'm saying. One who asked me, he knows why he asked, but I said I don't work under anybody, I work with everybody, congressman.
Or you are feeling that Girish is samko junior to me?
No, I don't feel now. Poil te party mag distale. So nagtak high command and dalla. So let us all work together, bring up Congress.
आता वन नेशन वन इलेक्शनाचो कॉन्सेप्ट चल्ला 27 जाले नंतर 29 मे बी बिकॉज एज वी स्पीक द मिटींग इज गोईंग ऑन इलेक्शन जातले सो फर्स्ट आय वॉन्ट युअर रिएक्शन ऑन दिस वन नेशन
So I'm totally against. Coltocate is bad for the country. They are destroying the federalism and the democracy of this country. Now I tell you now, there'll be elections in 27. So again there'll be elections in 29. They have no right to be for 5 years. Second thing, suppose there are elections together everywhere and 3-4 states, they don't get majority. So they have got president's rule.
For next 4 years, 5 years.
That means for 5 years they'll keep. So the question is, this time they had 3-4 states along with the center. Very nice, do like that. 3-4 states you have together.
Okay.
Why should you have all India together?
So
Every
5
state
states
in
are
the
going-
federal country, in the country, every state has got its rights and duties. You do that. How you are going to save? See that you 4-5 states, you keep question of 1 month, 2 months together. Not 2-3 years. Everyone who is elected has got right to be there for 5 years till his term is over.
But then again, what they are saying is one nation, one election. Then you are saving a lot of resources. You are saving a lot of time. There's lot code of conducts are often imposed. That you will be saved.
See, code of conduct in Delhi doesn't affect in Goa. So every state has got code of conduct. So at that time they will get. So when the elections are elsewhere, the code of conduct doesn't apply in Goa.
But it
So
won't
what
be
I
for
need-
two times in 5 years. It will be just once.
So why should it be? You have got your election, you are a state, central election different. There have been, I remember, election in some states along with the center. That is because it coincides. Not on purpose. It coincides. Continue like that.
No one nation, one election.
I'm totally against.
आता हे 2 वर्सांक जर खरेंच आमदार आयले, आय एम टेलिंग यू बिकॉज यू हॅव एक्सपिरियन्स इन कॉन्टेस्टिंग इलेक्शन्स, तांकां परत स्ट्रेस येवचो ना. बाय द टायम यू आर इलेक्टेड अगेन यू हॅव टू प्रिपेर फॉर नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन बिकॉज 1 year इज वॉट.
Forget about stress. This is wrong. Anyone who gets elected has got right to be there to continue till 5 years. This is the constitution. Who are you? तू काय इलेक्शन त्यातून तू कोर मरे.
They are amending the constitution.
It's very bad.
And to amend the constitution, and only once they say, after that the things will be in place.
Surely. And then I'm asking you, suppose something goes wrong and the government falls. They'll keep for 5 years, they'll keep for 3 years without government.
That fine print is yet to come, so we don't know whether
That's what
they
I'm
can
saying.
have
That's why I said
elections.
there are exceptions. That's why continue as it is. See that you keep many states together with the center so that your expenditure, if you think so, expenditure you can decrease.
Okay.
तांकां सरकारा सांग ऑन एपोड एडांचे पोड मोडटाय त्या देवय आनी मोड्याय म्हूण.
7 lakh crore वाचतले म्हणटा ते इलेक्शनाक लागून. सो
I don't agree.
दाने दाने में आरोग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु, दाने दाने में सौभाग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु। अमृत जैसा इसका स्वाद, ये है पौष्टिकता का प्रसाद। कण कण में पंचामृता, रग रग में पंचामृता, तन मन में पंचामृता, देश भर में पंचामृता, घर घर में पंचामृता प्राप्तिरस्तु।
शुद्ध भी, स्वाद भी, सेहत भी। पंचामृता खाओ, हेल्थी जियो।
Okay, I'm asking you this question, maybe a sort of academic question, but as a journalist, I want to know. You have seen governments from 90s till now. You have seen Goa from 90s
From 80.
till now. From 80s till now. Now, even where you stay right now, lot of things have changed. Demographic changes have happened. How do you see Goa right now and Goa then?
What do you mean by demography?
Demography in the sense, like your neighbors would be now someone from Delhi. I don't think in the 80s you will have neighbors from Delhi or, hills being cut.
Well,
or,
we don't have that much context with, I mean, few
No, I'm
of us
asking
will.
you general
But
question.
what I'm saying, that you can't help. India is a nation. So you can't say our Goans, when there were no jobs, they used to go to Maharashtra, Bombay. So many, then they used to come back. Only what I say is, they should not destroy the environment. Now, there are plots, big buildings are coming. You see, in even Bamboli, where will they keep their cars? On the road? That is what I am talking about. You see, Panjim, buildings have come, shops have come, all cars on the road. So that the government should open the eyes and see. Then they are saying, these days I was reading that Kampal ground, they want to privatize. They should not keep it there. It is a legacy of the past.
Bandodkar ground it is.
Bandodkar ground. Any ground, open spaces that are there. In future, where will they, people, every house has a car, 2 cars, 3 cars. Where will they keep? On the roads? You see shopping. You go to Taligaon, all these places. All the roads are blocked. So that they should see.
Now, I want to ask again a question. Now when we speak about all these changes, environment, आम्ही every time म्हणटा की आमचे पास्टान जेणी रूल केले पळय तेणी they never took right decisions to save Goa, in the sense special status घेवना. So are you also sharing that blame ki you failed to save Goa, special status आमकां हाडूना, rules were not framed enough to save Goan
See,
identity?
special status we could have got only after liberation. After that, many other states who are behind us, who are less developed. Did they get? No. So don't ask for what is not possible. Those days it was okay. We also have time we asked, we didn't get. So the question
You
is,
had asked for special status.
I mean the state had asked.
I think if I'm correct me if I'm wrong, for your election rally in Margao, Sonia Gandhi had promised that if we get elected, we will have special status. And you were the candidate, I think that time, you were sitting on the, this thing. So,
Yes,
how do you react to
मुल्लोले
that?
म्हाकाय दिसता एक मुल्लो म्हूण पूण हांव विसरलो पूण मुल्लो दिसता म्हाका पूण आमी मागीर तो इश्यू हाडलोलो सो अदर स्टेट्स ऑल्सो आस्किंग सो दे सेड इट कॅनॉट बी गिवन सेम थिंग विथ नाव ड्युअल
Citizenship.
वी ट्रायड कित्याक आतां some countries have with their another country which is friendly country. Very few countries have. So गोंया आमकां इंडिया जालो जाल्यार गोंया पोंडिचेरी आनी हूंय बऱ्या पडपाचें.
But that also you feel, ultimately you had governments in center that time, you are part of the governments in the center, you were...
But government is not running one state, they have to see pros and cons. आनी खंयचें आसो जावप म्हणजे ते सगळे अशें आमगेलें पॉप्युलेशन कितलें आहा ते येतलें पूण आमगे सफर जाता आय एग्री विथ यू.
Goa was a special case that they had asked.
That's what I'm saying. Goa Pondicherry was a special case. तेन्ना आयकूंक जाय.
Former colonies was special.
Exactly, I agree also. And I also was saying the same thing. But after you are amalgamated, after so many few years, then you don't have this. They forget. You are one of the, one with the country, one of the states.
Okay, last question. Now what do you see elections happening, आता जेन्ना elections जाता, then now what is a number that you see Congress achieving that mark? 27 May 27.
I never quote number. I quote about majority. So we are working hard. People are fed up with the BJP because they know. See, as I told you, every rule has an exception. Government doesn't mean you are from heaven you are reigning this. But the question is, few mistakes you make. Not this government. Everywhere they have made mistakes. People are on the road. All the time people on the road, they bring to the notice of the government, they protest, and then the government changes. This is a total failure of the government. सरकार म्हणतो सरकार सांगतलो नाही मिस्टेक जाताय.
पण प्रोटेस्ट तुमच्या टायमार जाताले.
होय केन्ना जायत नाही. कितली ते पळोवपाक जाय. कितली ते पळोवपाक जाय. तेन्ना बीजेपी कित्याक प्रोटेस्ट करी. इलो गॅसा प्रायस सोडलो, व्हडलो प्रोटेस्ट केलो. गॅस हूंय पावलो. स्टार्टींग कितलो आहलो आतां हूंय पावलो 1000 उंच पावलो. मागीर पेट्रोला कोत्ताले.
कॅझिनो करताले. कॅझिनो करताले.
काजिनो कोत्ताले. मागीर इवन काजिनो आय एम नॉट अगेन्स्ट. एक 2-3 काजिनो बिकॉज आवर्स अ टुरिस्टीक स्टेट. पूण हे भाशेनी तो आमगे न्हंय काबार केली, बंद केली काबार. यू अंडरस्टँड. मागीर तें समज तुका हांव सो आयज लोक मार्गाचेर येता सरकारा सांगपाक तेन्ना रुपयो कितें सांगताले 65 आशिल्लो आनी देंवयतले म्हूण डॉलर आज हूंय पावलो 95, 96. सो हे फकत तोंडान उलोवपाक कितले 15 लाख लोकांक दितले म्हणटाले. अरे 15 रुपये तरी दियाय मरे तुमी लोकांक गोंड कापताय. So all Sarkar Munto, they only make promises. They forget that people's ears and eyes are open to see what they are doing.
So more than 21 seats Congress will win
Yes,
is what your prediction.
yes, and we are trying.
And whether 21 and 1 ते असतले काय ना, that he said I'll tell you later.
एक असो म्हणजे
You will be part of 21 and 1. That we will see later.
काँग्रेस आसतलो कुठं
I thought end of the interview at least you will tell me.
काँग्रेस आसतलो कुठं रे
असलो काँग्रेसचो कॅन्डिडेट असलो कुर्तरे
कुठं आनी शिकतलो जिखयतलो
जिंकतलो पण त्याचे नाव फ्रांसीस सार्दिन आसतलें काय ना, दॅट वी हॅव टू सी. देव बरें करूं सर तुम्ही.
थँक्यू सगळ्यांक तुम्ही बरे भशेन आयकिलें.
थँक्यू. सो यू आर वॉचिंग हब एनकाउंटर ऑन युअर फेवरेट चॅनल गोवा न्यूज हब. कीप वॉचिंग अस.
अरे उस प्लान का क्या हुआ
इस वीकेंड पे चले क्या?
गाइस? हिमाचल और केरला?
नहीं यार, इट्स टू कोल्ड. तो फिर गोवा चले क्या?
ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर इट. डन?
डन.
डन. फ्लाइट टिकट्स तो बुक हो गए हैं.
पर वहाँ घूमेंगे कैसे?
रेंट कार बुक करें?
ओके.
ओके. अरे यार, ये तो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है.
अरे हाँ, गोवा है यार, बाइक ले लेते हैं.
ओके.
भैया हमें रेंट बाइक देखना है, कुछ नया पावरफुल स्टाइलिश.
कितना दिन के लिए चाहिए?
2 दिन के लिए.
तो ये वाला लीजिए, होंडा का डिओ 125
ओह
सीसी.
नाइस.
The all-new Honda Dio 125. Bold design, powerful 125cc performance, and smooth rides made for Goa.
रेंट कार नहीं लिया वो बेस्ट डिसीजन था.
बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल राइड थी
और काफी स्टाइलिश भी है.
और हैंडलिंग भी स्मूथ है.
ऑल्सो इट वॉज अ ग्रेट फन.
यस.
Honda Dio 125. Rent it, ride it, live Goa.